Hey guys, and today I'm gonna show you how to earn money as an affiliate in Shopee. Lately, I've been asked by many people to teach them how to earn money as an affiliate in Shopee, and this video is for you guys. So, let's get started. Open your Shopee app and go to the home page. And then tap on the Me icon right there at the bottom and scroll down to Affiliate Program. There you go. Tap on it. All right, so that would be individual. And then for your promotion platform, you can select Shopee, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. But I'll add those platforms later. So you get your phone number here, email, then referral code. So I'm going to give you this referral code right here. Just type that in. All right, then tap submit. Okay, registration submitted successfully. And there you go. Congratulations. You are now officially an affiliate of Shopee. And then you will be directed to your dashboard after that. So on here, you got conversions, income, and the account settings where you can edit or submit your payment method for your payout. And then we will start uploading. So back to the home page, tap on the Me icon at the bottom right there. And then go to your purchase history. And then tap on the product that you've just ordered or you ordered previously. This is my digital clock right here. Stop the live view. So all you need to do for now is like this product or like that heart icon. Tap on the heart icon. Make sure it's red. And then back to the home page. Then we'll start uploading the video. Okay, live and video, tap on it. So at the top, there's a plus icon with a video icon on that. Tap on it right there. All right, post video. So we'll take the video of the digital clock right at your gallery. So this is my video right here. Oops. Okay, this is the video of my digital clock. So make sure the video is related to your product. So we have the hashtag digital clock on that. All right. Just turn this off, turn that off. Then add product. So tap on it. So since you already liked the digital clock, it will just show under my likes. So there you go. So you got my shop, my likes, all affiliate. But basically, you'll just have to go to my likes because that's the product that you want to upload. Okay, just tap add, and then tap done. All right, then post. And if you want to post this on social media, you can just get the link. Okay, so video has been posted. So that's the first video on your account as an affiliate. Tap on it. On the customer side, this is how the video will look like, and they will see a banner right there. They will see this, right? And then that banner that says buy now. So if they click on it and orders get delivered, you get a commission. Now, you don't have to actually purchase anything in Shopee to be able to make a video of it. Take a look at this aqua flask of my colleague sitting here. Let me just take a video for about 6 seconds on this one. All right, after that, take a photo and let's find this item on the Shopee. So open the Shopee app, tap on the camera icon at the top, then upload the photo or the image. And Shopee will show products of the same item for you. So let's select the highest sold item here, which is the 10K plus sold. All right, so again, all you need to do is tap the heart icon, all right, to like it. And then you can start going back to the home page and upload that video. Okay, let's start uploading that video of the aqua flask. Okay, so that's the video, 6 seconds right there. All right, tap next. And then we'll just put the hashtag aqua flask. Okay, I'll just select on that hashtag and then just turn off this, turn that off. Then tap to add product. Okay, so all you need to do is go to the My Likes part. And let's see. Okay, you have to scroll down to find it. I have a lot here. Okay, we see the aqua flask right here. Tap add and then done and then post. Okay. Okay, go back to the video page again on Shopee and then tap the profile icon at the top left. There you go. And you will see your account and all your videos. So that's the aqua flask we uploaded and the banner shows up. And finally, setting up your payment method for your payout. So from your dashboard, tap on the account icon and then tap on the settings icon at the top. Then tap on the payment settings. Okay, so for the account type, make sure you select the local individual. Then confirm. So adult, currency, full name, and your phone number. Tap next. So primary bank account. So you're gonna have to select your personal bank account. So like for me, BPI. Then just fill out all the details needed. So you're also gonna have to submit a proof of bank account ownership, like a deposit slip or your online banking account with your name and account number. And you also need to add a secondary bank account. So there's no other option here but CBank Philippines. So let me show you how to set up CBank right here on the Shopee app. From your homepage, tap on the Me icon. And right from there, you will see financial services with CBank below that. Open CBank and then sign up for an account. Then enter your CBank details. You can use this, the one I'm showing on the screen right now, the branch name and the address especially. And then proceed with your bank account name and account number, and of course, the proof of account ownership like the online banking screenshot. Tap next and follow through the steps all the way until you are in that part for the tax information where you need to submit a proof of TIN number, like any BIR form. And wait for a few days for your payment method to be approved. And you're all set. If you have questions about this video, you can just comment them down below. Like and follow for more. Peace out.